Hello and welcome back to another pack opening. This time I've got 3 packs of Maze of Memories and 2 packs of Darkwing Blast. Let's see what we can pull from these. Let's start with the Maze packs. Pack number 1. Got Prey of Jiragamu, Treacherous Trap Hole, Super Ancient Deep Sea King Colacanth, Karayor Getsu, if that's right. I don't know, I probably butchered that. Court of Justice, Mech Knight Blue Sky, Blackwing Zephyros the Elite. Pack number 2. Get these in order here. Blackwing Kalute the Moon Shadow, Ancient Fairy Dragon. That's a nice errata there. Labyrinth Wall Shadow, Mech Knight Red Moon. This creepy little punk, Red Eyes Soul. Oh, and a Solemn Judgment. That's a good pull there. I need me another copy of that one. Let's go on to pack number 3. Another Ancient Fairy Dragon, Mudan the Rika Fairy, Soul of the Supreme King, Battle Royal Mode joining, Suijin, first Guardian. Oh, and then a Gate Guardian, and Evolution Endburst. Alright, not terrible. Best from that was a Solemn Judgment for sure. Now let's head on to Darkwing Blast. See if we can pull a Bastille Lubellion. I'm still hoping for one. Let's see, Scareclaw Decline, Blackwing Twin Shadow, Tobari the Sky Ninja, Laughing Puffin, Amazoness Secret Arts, Amazoness Spiritualist, Decisive Battle of Galgonda, Scareclaw Twin Saw, and a Cash Tira Fenrir. That is a good pull there. Almost as good as a Bastille Lubellion would have been, but I'll take it. And pack number 2 for Darkwing Blast. Start with the Laughing Puffin, Prediction Princess Bibliomuse, Tobari the Sky Ninja, Stars Align, Soul Scissors, Ninjutsu Art, Naturia Mole Cricket, Salamander Catalyzer, and finally, Branded Beast. Not as good as this first pack. Best pull on that definitely was the Cashtier Fenrir. But Fenrir and a Judgment. That's the best we got today. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you like, please subscribe and share, and also like this video. Thank you.